Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about writing program in Python programming language. So first of all, what is a computer program? A program is simply a set of instructions that you give to a computer so that it will do a particular task. So here I am going to show you how to write a simple hello world program in Python programming language. Writing commands into Python interpreter is a good way to experiment with Python features, but it is not really recommended for solving larger programs. So when we want to write a computer program, we use an IDE, which is Integrated Development Environment, or we can use any text editor to write the instructions into a file which is called a script. By convention, Python scripts have the names that end with .py. Now here I will open a text editor and then I will write a simple hello world program into the text file, and then I will save it with the file name hello.py. So because I have written the program in Python language, so the suffix of the file name is .py. Now in order to execute this script, you have to tell the Python interpreter the name of the file. To do this, we will open a command prompt in Windows. So we will open command prompt in Windows if you are in Windows operating system, but if you are in Linux, then there is something called terminal. So first of all, what is a command prompt? So a prompt is a text or symbols that indicates the operating system is ready for a command. So you give command through the command prompt and the operating system executes those commands. So it may also be a text representation of where the user is currently. Okay. So in Windows operating system, the arrow sign represents the command prompt, and in Linux the pound sign represents the command prompt. For example, in Windows operating system, a Windows command prompt may look like this. Now in this command window, I would type python hello.py to execute this program written in hello.py file. So I am gonna type python space hello.py and hit enter. So as you can see, this hello world is the output of this program. This was the simplest program in Python programming language. So what actually happens is, when you type python space file name, then it tells the Python interpreter to read the source code from this hello.py file. So what exactly is source code? So in computing, source code or simply code is any collection of code written using a human readable programming language. So whatever we typed into the hello.py file, the whole code is called source code. So this was the simplest Python program. Thank you for watching this video.